Hey, get up there, dude. Get up there. There you see him?
Oh yeah. It's pretty neat.
You ever seen him before?
No, I haven't.
Yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're back at it here at Eagle Mountain Lake. The weather had said it was going to rain all week long, and to our surprise, it stopped raining yesterday morning. So today we're going to get out here. We're going to see if we can't get on some decent bass. So y'all stay tuned. It should be a good one. Good. See that rope going in the water? A lot different than last time we were here.
Yeah. Well, you'll notice that I redid the Evolv sleeve. I noticed in the recent video when I was up by the trolling motor.
Yeah. Hey, get up there, dude. Get up there. I ain't mistaken. We got the shad spawn going up over there. Go. Like over there. See him up on, yeah.
Yep. Oh, I see him, yeah. I see him. Yep, right there.
Go, 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 dude. Get it. Put it on 5 and go, dude. There you see him?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, back it off a little bit. Back it off, back it off. There you go. Is your line in the water or is it all on the boat?
All in the boat. I'm smarter than that, you know?
Well, sometimes, man, it's easy to just leave it, let it drift on the water, you know?
Yeah, but if it was sinking,
Yep.
it get stuck.
Got one. All right, guys, first catch on the boat. There we go.
Show me on the bag.
Oh. We got one.
My bad. Catfish.
That's not what I wanted to catch today.
Come on, Dad.
I am catching though.
The pickle. Go grab it.
You're about to be in a pickle. Yep, you're definitely gonna be in a pickle. You know, we tend to want to fish the dock that we're in. Oh no, don't do that, dude. Just go in there. Just go in the dock. To the right. Go right. Go to this one right here. Dan, where are you going?
Swinging wide.
Why? Oh my gosh.
Don't. Are you serious? What?
Oh, dude.
There's a fish on it, right? Okay, you
Hey.
go run this one. Eric.
Oh my gosh.
There was a fish on it? Yeah, you not hear it?
No, I saw it. He literally yanked it out of the water.
Why didn't you set the hook on it? Which I was a little tangled up.
I think it's safe. We just need to stay away from docks with y'all too. Dude, you had a fish on out. I think it was a white bass, but
Yeah, I
it's pretty funny. You yanked him out of the water.
think got one.
There you go. Oh, good. Easy, easy.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, he's bleeding. Get him off the boat. Get him off the boat.
Got it. No, I just felt tension and I was like, what?
Sorry, dude. It was, I mean, we got him good. Rinse it out.
You got your own little private launch right here, but there's a fire hydrant right in the middle.
Wait, this isn't the launch, is it?
They did that on purpose.
That's the drain, dude, isn't it?
Yeah. Launch a jet ski from it.
I mean, really, you can launch whatever you want from it if it works, I guess. You got one? No. This rock wall, dude, should produce something. If it doesn't, Eric should just throw away his rods.
You're a guy today.
Oh no.
You said, and I quote, I think this spot's gonna fish.
I did. I caught a bass. Oh. Come on, dude. Come on. I told you. You've caught a spotted bass before?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. You felt the tongue?
Oh, yeah.
That's a spotted bass, dude.
I caught it when I was with you.
Did you feel him in there?
Oh, in there?
In there. You ever felt that?
Holy shoot.
Have you ever felt that?
Uh-uh.
Oh, dude, I'm sorry. I thought you did. Yeah. So you'll know it's spotted if it's got that little spiky thing right there on their tongue.
Woo.
There we go.
Oh, look at the size of that snake.
Where?
Straight ahead on the steps.
Oh,
Dude, that is a
first,
giant.
last step before the water.
Oh my gosh, dude.
That is a big. I wonder if that's.
Got him.
Sounds like a good one.
Not bad. Now that one right there is about 1.5 pounds. Okay, see some shad pop in here.
There it is.
Oh shoot. Good job, dude. Good job. It's a white bass or a largemouth?
I don't know.
Large. Oh, white.
Is it?
That's large, dude. Don't listen to that guy.
All I saw was a white size.
Get him in. Oh,
He swiped at it.
they still got him in the mouth. Watch. Yeah, it's on there. 1-3. Yeah, it's on there. You can take it off. And just hit the center button to turn it off. Yeah, he hit it, whatever it was. Why are you skipping? There's no reason to skip.
That wasn't on purpose.
I might have gotten that on video though. This perfect skips by Salvador Outdoors. Don't set it too hard and blow your. Oh, he's got it, dude. Take it. Good gosh. Oh my god.
You missed it again?
Hey, well, he had it though. I saw his line moving. I said, dude, set the hook. He had it. I
He
saw
only
his.
had the tail. He was just pulling on the tail. Oh,
See his eyes bugged out?
Got a fungus going on.
I was trying to catch him, dude.
no.
Huh?
All right, guys, that's a wrap. Man, we did not as good as we anticipated, but we caught some fish. In either case, y'all do me a favor. Y'all go over, head over to Sean Fishing Fanatics on Instagram, give him a follow. Also, Salvador Outdoors, and give him a follow as well. If y'all like this content, leave me a comment. Let me know what y'all want to see on the next video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, and until next time on the water, tight lines.